Assalamu alaikum people.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
God bless, lots and lots of love. We are once again back with another vlog for you. So today Mama Bear is bringing you some amazing recipes once again. And I'm going to let Mama Bear explain what she's bringing for you on the table. So go for it, Mom.
Chinese pakore मैं तानू आज बना के दिखाने लगी हूँ Chinese pakore ते नाल मैं तानू crunchy chicken bite.
Yes, so they're breaded chicken bites as well as some Chinese pakore.
Chinese pakore.
Just saying that is making our mouth water. They're going to be absolutely delicious.
चटनी च dip करके दिखाओ.
Yes, so they're just a quick snack for Ramadan. Quick recipes that you can prepare really easily, very simple. So yeah, Papa Bear, explain further.
Well, what I can say is that these चीनिया ने पकोड़े बनाए थे हुन असी बना रहे हैं.
Oh yes.
चीनिया दे पकोड़े.
Yes, so chinia de pakore. Are we ready for this, guys?
But they are tasty.
सारे खावांगे बिल्कुल.
Yes, so make sure you do follow these recipes that Mama Bear bring you because trust me, she puts a lot of effort in them and I'm telling you now, they're mind-blowing.
बहुत nice.
So yeah, ready for this, guys?
Let's go.
Let's go, people.
One bowl मैदा.
1 bowl of plain flour,
Half bowl सूजी.
half bowl of semolina,
4 चम्मच corn flour.
4 tablespoons of corn flour,
1 bowl बंद गोभी.
1 bowl of cabbage,
2 गाजर बारीक chop कर लो.
so 2 carrots guys and chop them nice and fine,
3 तो 4 हरे प्याज.
so 3 to 4 spring onions,
3 तो 4 हरियां मिर्चां बारीक काट लो.
3 to 4 green chilies and chop them nice and fine,
2 चम्मच अदरक थोम दी पेस्ट.
2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste,
1 चम्मच नमक.
and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can obviously put the amount that you require.
1 चम्मच सोया सॉस.
1 tablespoon of soya sauce,
2 टेबलस्पून चिली सॉस.
so 2 tablespoons of chili sauce,
2 टेबलस्पून जेडे ना टमाटर सॉस.
and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup,
1 चम्मच चिली फ्लेक.
1 tablespoon of red chili flakes,
आधी टीस्पून ब्लैक पेपर.
half a teaspoon guys of black pepper,
हाफ टीस्पून बेकिंग पाउडर.
and half a teaspoon of baking powder.
सब तो पहले उन सब्जियां पा लो.
So the first step guys is to put all the vegetables in, things like your cabbage, carrots, spring onions,
ग्रीन चिली.
your green chilies,
प्लेन फ्लावर.
add the plain flour straight on top,
सूजी.
add your semolina, then goes your corn flour,
अदरक थोम.
next up garlic and ginger paste,
चिली सॉस.
then goes in your chili sauce,
टमाटर सॉस.
then your tomato ketchup straight on top,
सोया सॉस.
then add the soya sauce,
चिली फ्लेक.
your red chili flakes,
काली मिर्च.
and your black pepper,
नमक.
add your salt straight on top,
बेकिंग पाउडर.
and then your baking powder.
थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी पा के ना तो बस घोलो.
And what you want to do guys is start adding little bits of water, and at the same time make sure you're mixing it thoroughly.
चाइनीज पकौड़ियां दा मसाला रेडी है.
And there we are guys, the Chinese pakora mixture is now ready.
जो गरम हो जाएगा ना ते फिर मीडियम आग ते ना बस पकाने ने.
So once the oil's heated up guys, make sure the flame is on medium heat, and then you want to start adding the Chinese pakora mixture into the oil. So place it into the oil like Mama Bear is to fry it up.
बहुत अच्छे बने, क्रंची बने ने.
And as you can see guys, the pakore have turned out to be magnificent.
Chinese
Nice
pakore.
and crunchy Chinese pakore. And what we're going to do is repeat the process and start making the rest of them.
Chinese pakore ਹੁਣ ready ਨੇ.
And there we are guys, the Chinese pakore are ready and they look magnificent.
ਬਹੁਤ
Wow.
nice ਬਣੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਛੇ spicy.
Mashallah, beautiful.
One and a half kilo chicken breast,
1.5 kilos of chicken breast,
half lemon,
so half a lemon,
2 ਚਮਚ ਅਦਰਕ ਥੋਮ ਦੀ ਪੇਸਟ,
and 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste,
1 ਚਮਚ ਲਾਲ ਮਿਰਚ,
1 tablespoon of red chili powder,
ਅੱਧੀ ਚਮਚ ਕਾਲੀ ਮਿਰਚ,
half a teaspoon of black pepper,
half tablespoon ਧਨੀਆ ਪਾਊਡਰ,
half a tablespoon of coriander powder,
half tablespoon ਚਾਟ ਮਸਾਲਾ,
and half a tablespoon of chaat masala,
1 ਚਮਚ ਨਮਕ,
and 1 tablespoon salt,
1 egg,
and as Mama Bear said, 1 egg, crack it in a bowl,
half bowl ਮੈਦਾ,
and half bowl plain flour,
half bowl bread crumb,
half a bowl of breadcrumbs,
1 ਚਮਚ chili flake,
1 teaspoon red chili flakes,
half ਚਮਚ black pepper,
half a teaspoon of black pepper,
half teaspoon ਨਮਕ.
and half teaspoon of salt.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ garlic ginger ਦੀ paste,
So the first thing guys, you want to add the garlic and ginger paste,
ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਡਾ,
then you want to add the egg that you cracked earlier,
ਲਾਲ ਮਿਰਚ,
then goes the red chili powder,
ਧਨੀਆ ਪਾਊਡਰ,
then the coriander powder,
ਚਾਟ ਮਸਾਲਾ,
then add the chaat masala on top,
ਕਾਲੀ ਮਿਰਚ,
the black pepper,
ਨਮਕ,
then add the salt,
half lemon.
and then squeeze the fresh half lemon straight on top.
ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੈਰੀਨੇਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ.
And as Mama Bear just said, marinate it thoroughly. Make sure you mix it all in, just like that.
ਹੁਣ ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਦਿਓ.
And as you can see, put some cling film straight on top and put it aside for half an hour. Okay guys, so until the chicken has been marinated for half an hour, you've put it aside. What you want to do next is make the breadcrumb mixture that will go straight on top. So let's do this.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੈਦਾ,
So you want to add all the plain flour in a bowl first.
bread crumb,
Then you want to add the breadcrumbs,
chili flake,
then the chili flakes,
black pepper,
then the black pepper,
salt.
then the salt.
ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ.
And then you want to thoroughly mix it.
ਆਫਟਰ ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਐਸਾ ਪੀਸ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਲਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਐਸਾ ਤੇ ਪਲੇਟ ਚ ਰੱਖੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਐਸਾ.
So like Mama Bear just said, grab each individual chicken piece, dip it in the breadcrumb mixture that you made, and then place it into a separate plate. So like we said, Mama Bear's doing a fantastic job of making these breaded chicken pieces. She's going to continue making the rest, but before we do that, somebody else has wanted to join in.
Yeah.
Somebody else wants to help Mama Bear. We're going to introduce you to him. Come on, come on, come on. Ta-da! So Papa Bear is in the house, and after looking at what Mama Bear is doing, he wants to obviously join in and help out. So ready for these pops?
Yep.
ਚਲੋ ਕਰੋ.
Let's go.
Okay. Basically, I've been watching Mrs. Begum from over there, and she's picking up these little chicken bites and dipping them in here and
Yes.
बड़े सोने तरीके दे नाल plate ते भी सजा
सारे
देते.
रखने ने हाँ.
So I thought I'm gonna have a little go at this.
Yes.
So here I am, guys, and we start from here. So Mrs. Begum,
एक चिकन को.
piece of chicken
ऐड डीप करो हाँ अच्छी तरह.
into there. Let's cover this up. Roll it around a little bit in here,
चंगी तरह.
like this, and there you go.
That's it.
That's my chicken bite.
Fantastic.
What is it?
Fantastic.
Tell the viewing family.
Fantastic.
You hear this? Fantastic. So that means I can do one more?
Yes.
Okay. I quite enjoy this. I like this. I like this. I think Mrs. Begum, from now on, you've got an assistant in the kitchen.
Okay.
There you go. Another one.
Yes.
What was it again, Mama Bear?
Fantastic.
Tell the viewing family. Tell them.
Fantastic.
Yes. So I can do another one then.
Go on then.
Okay, viewing family, this is how basically Mrs. Begum has been covering them up, and I quite like these chicken bites.
बहुत nice बना
I haven't had these very often, but Mrs.
रमजान च
Begum,
बनाना ते खाना हाँ जी.
it's a nice, easy recipe,
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
and it's quite enjoyable as well. You know what they feel like? Let me tell you what they feel like. Hang on. Once they're dipped like this,
हाँ.
now to me it's like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
I swear it's like a marshmallow. Look.
Marshmallow लगता है.
Yeah? Oh, right, okay. Let's go. There
You
you
ready?
go. Done.
Oh yes.
That's it.
Good stuff.
Well done.
Mrs. Begum goes,
Well
that's it.
done. Well done.
Thank you.
Hello, Mom.
Yes बच्चे.
We want to see what you've been doing.
ये देखो मैं बनाए chicken bites.
Chicken bites. They look
हाँ
nice.
crumb bite
Look
बहुत
how
nice
tasty
बने.
they look. See
Put them in there.
बहुत nice बने.
Come on. Looks really nice. That
उन्हें मैं
does.
fry करके ते फिर
Hungry,
तब
I'm
खाना.
actually hungry. That looks really nice though. That does.
How many of these can you eat?
Probably all of that. Pushing
You
that.
could no way
Pushing
eat
that.
all of them.
You know what? I'm not joking. We
Do you
should do a
really think-
challenge. We'll do a challenge. Cause I think I can.
No
Literally one of
chance.
that.
Yeah.
No
You
chance.
reckon?
Have you seen yourself?
Even Mom doesn't
No,
have
I feel like I can.
तू पहलवान नहीं
Nah,
है,
listen,
कांगड़ी
wait.
पहलवान
Give me
है.
20 minutes. I can kill that in 20 minutes.
20
Mom,
minutes.
look, even Mom. Okay, Mom, do you think he can eat all that in 20 minutes?
Okay,
There is
half
no
that.
way.
Half that.
Okay, man. Sorry, man.
I don't even
Half
think
that
you could
20
eat
minutes.
half of that. Probably
No,
about
yeah.
4
No,
bites.
They look really tasty.
They're only that big. Come on.
Yeah, your stomach is that
Mom
big.
cooking is
कांगड़ी पहलवान.
amazing. Amazing.
Nice
Really
enough.
nice though.
Yeah,
Looks nice.
brilliant.
चलो,
Looks
Okay, we're
lovely.
putting that in there.
next step and fry करना है.
Let's
Fry
go.
them. Let's fry them.
Yes.
ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਐਸਾ ਚੁੱਕਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਪਾਈ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਦੇਖੋ. Medium heat ਤੇ ਪਕਾਓ.
So you want to add each individual chicken piece straight into the oil, just like Mama Bear said, and make sure the
ਚਲੋ ਚਿਕਨ ਬਾਈਟ ਹੁਣ ਰੈਡੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਬਸ ਐਸਾ ਕਲਰ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਕੱਢੀ ਜਾਓ.
the chicken bites are now ready,
ਸਪਾਈਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਰੰਚੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ
and
ਬਣੇ.
you can start removing them out of the oil. And then what you want to do is repeat the process and start making them again.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ.
ਲੋ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀ 'ਚ ਫੇਰ ਆ ਗਏ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ these chicken bites are looking absolutely
ਬਹੁਤ
delicious,
ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ.
and I thought I might as well come and have a little chat with you guys while these are cooking up, and it's a pleasure to have you again, inshallah ta'ala. Oh, these are nice, aren't they? Fantastic.
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ.
I just love the way they're sizzling up.
ਹਾਂ
What do you think?
ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ ਬਣੇ. ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਹੀਟ ਤੇ ਪਕਾਣੇ ਨੇ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ.
Medium heat. Medium heat. ਤੇ ਲਾਓ ਜੀ, ਪਕਾਓ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਖਾਓ ਜੀ.
ਖਾਓ.
Right, family. Here we are with a little bowl of sauce, chili sauce, and we've got the chicken bites. So we're here to taste this now. So what I want to do is have the first bite for the family.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Yes.
So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and we'll take this bite.
Let us know, come on. What do you reckon? Mama Bear is looking nervously.
Fantastic.
Thank
Well
you.
done, well
Thank
done.
you.
Fantastic.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਓ ਤੇ ਖਾਓ.
Yes. So lots and lots of love to Mama Bear. I'm sure she's done a fantastic job. Correct, Dad?
Yeah,
Correct,
you know,
Fufu, correct, BK?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
so what we have to do is give a nice little dip, and here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Hey.
Thank you.
Can you tell everyone's eating and I'm just standing here?
ਬਹੁਤ
I need
nice
one as
ਬਣਿਆ.
well. So
Shall we cup?
I'm gonna grab one as well.
I told you I can eat all of these.
Dip it in the
Look how
sauce.
small they are.
Chinese pakora ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ nice ਬਣਿਆ.
Beautiful. So garam garam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's do this. That's amazing, garam.
Nice.
And the Chinese
That's
pakora,
beautiful.
Mum,
Oh, thank you.
Whoa.
I want to finish this.
I have to say, the Chinese pakora,
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ ਆ.
very delicious.
ਬਹੁਤ nice.
The spice is perfect.
It's beautiful. You must try this recipe.
Try
out.
ਕਰਨਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ.
Anything to say?
Whoa, I'm just enjoying these chicken bites. They're beautiful.
अपने famous words ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ viewer.
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਓ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਖਾਈਏ. ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ ਆ ਜੀ. ਚਾਈਨੀਜ਼ ਪਕੌੜੇ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਚਿਕਨ ਬਾਈਟਸ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਬਣੇ ਆ.
Oh yes. So guys, we are going to continue eating. Once again, Mama Bear's done a fantastic job in the kitchen. Magic done.
Yes.
So yeah, it's going to be Allah Hafiz from your boy Shani's world. But before anybody goes anywhere, the famous words, make sure, grab the hand, like Papa Bear does.
अंगूठे ऊंचे कर दियो.
Yes, make sure you smash those
Yes.
thumbs up.
Anyway, अंगूठे ऊंचे करके subscribe the button दबा दियो.
Oh yes, so make sure you hit
Don't
that
forget
subscribe
subscribe.
button.
Don't forget subscribe.
Yes, like Mama Bear said, don't forget. Keep sending in your beautiful comments.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, God bless to every single one of you. We love you guys, and we
Thank
will be
you.
bringing you a lot more.
Will.
Oh, just before we do go, Mama Bear has decided that she's going to be bringing you
No,
the next two
tomorrow.
recipes. Will be
Grill.
no oil. It'll be two healthy
Avocado
options.
grill.
Yes, so it'll be oil free, etc., etc. So make sure you keep watching
Hanji.
and waiting for those ones. So yeah, it's going to
Inshallah.
be God bless. Allah
Thank you
Hafiz.
so much. Khuda
Love you
Hafiz.
guys.
I love
See
you
you
all.
soon.
Thank you.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Bye bye.